Kia Motors has revealed its new Futuron Concept, an illuminating all-wheel drive SUV coupe which proposes new designs for future electric vehicles. The Futuron Concept represents the modern and confident image of a progressive electric SUV coupe envisioned by Kia. The Futuron name itself is portmanteau of future and on, hinting at the switched-on electric nature of the future SUV designs from the brand. The Futuron made its public debut at the 2019 China International Import Expo in Shanghai.